I'd like to share my troubleshooting video that I conducted at a customer this week that has a crate washer. Their inquiry was the gauge was reading 0, so we thought that the pressure gauge had failed. So when I got to site, I turned the system on. The gauge was reading 0 on one of the machines. The other machine was reading fine. The process for my troubleshooting is firstly actually go into the machine or look into the machine and check the sprays. Check should always start from the nozzle and work your way backwards. So when I use a torch and I look into the machine, there's just a stream of water coming out. The jets aren't spinning, there's no pressure, the machine isn't on. So the pressure gauge is actually reading correctly. We have 0 bar. Once I establish that the pressure gauge is right, I come back to the machine. Then I want to check the shaft in between the motor and the pump to check if that is spinning. I check the other one is spinning, the one with 0 pressure is not spinning. So then I need to determine, is it mechanical or is it electrical? There's a coupling in between the motor and pump. If this for any reason came apart, that the grub screw got loose or whatever, obviously then the connection between the motor and the pump would be detached and therefore it wouldn't spin. That would be a mechanical issue. Pretty rare, but it has happened a couple of times. Secondary, it could be an electrical issue, so I then open up the cabinet. Obviously I don't touch anything, and we have a red light. Red is bad. Red means we're not running, we have a phase loss. Therefore, electrically, we're not turned on and we're not running and the pump is not running. I checked the wires, and of the 3 wires coming into the bottom of the soft starter, one did not have a ferrule and the copper wires were exposed. So my recommendation to the customer was get the electrician to check. It's probably most likely just a loose wire, which has happened over time, and there should be nothing wrong hopefully with the soft starter, and we resolve this problem.